Hi, welcome back to another video by Cluster Repairs UK. The UK's home for all your automotive display, repairs, servicing and spares. In today's video, we'll be showcasing the KIA Picanto onboard computer Sat Nav display. This is for both 6-button and 8-button variants, which run from 2019 to 2027. These units do have a few common faults, either by accidental damage or general wear and tear. The common faults we cover are cracked or damaged displays. The display screen comes on but is all black or white. Half of the display has disappeared. The display is heavily scratched or marked. The touchscreen is erratic or is totally unresponsive, or the complete unit has failed altogether. As you can see here, we've been testing a unit. The unit has the common fault of a totally unresponsive touchscreen. Cluster Repairs UK has been offering automotive display repairs for over 3 decades. We only offer premium services. This ensures that we only use the best A-grade and OEM parts, allowing us to achieve perfect results backed by lifetime warranties. Now, let's go ahead and test this unit after an OEM display has been installed. As you can see, the results are crystal clear. The unit is working fast and responsive and has the very important anti-glare OEM technology, which is very important for driver displays. Okay, so now you'd like to proceed with your repair. What do you do next? You can either have your repairs done by mail order, which normally takes 1 to 5 working days. You can have your repairs done on-site on a while-you-wait basis at one of our locations, or we can link you to one of our partner garages which are found around the country. We're proud to offer award-winning customer service. Please feel free to give us a call or drop us an email and we'll be more than happy to assist. For further information, you can also read the video description found below. To help us with the YouTube algorithm, please drop us a like, add a comment, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy repairing!